Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Keb Shilla. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. On today's video, we are making mandazis, and not only mandazis but soft mandazis. So I'm gonna be showing you a recipe on how to make mandazis. So stay tuned if this is the video you like to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So for the dry ingredients, I used 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a half tablespoon of cinnamon, a quarter tablespoon of ginger, and then a pinch of salt. After adding everything together, mix well to combine. For the wet ingredients, I used 1 egg, a half cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And then after adding everything together, mix well again to combine. After mixing my wet ingredients, I set it aside. Put your wet ingredients aside, and then now I added my lemon zest to my dry ingredients. Now bring your wet ingredients and then pour it to your dry ingredients, and then mix it to give it a good dough. Yeah. Continue mixing until it's soft. Now there, I decided to use my hand to give it a good mixture, and also for my dough to be good and soft. Yeah. You can as well use your hand from the start, but me, I preferred using my hand at the end because of my nails. Yeah, don't focus on my nails, focus on the dough. And then I added my cooking oil, like 1 tablespoon. Yeah. At this point, you can see my dough was soft. And then now I covered it with a cling film to give it a good rest for like an hour, and then come back after it has rested. And as you can see, 1 hour later we are here, and I was testing if my dough was soft. Yeah, as you can see, it was very soft, and I was behind the camera, I was saying my dough was very soft. Yeah. So I partitioned into small balls, or rather into small pieces, and then nikafanya nini, nikaekelea pani yangu na mafuta kwa gas, and yeah, this is now the progress. This is where we are. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend to subscribe. We are road to 500 subscribers, and yeah, thank you so much for the support that you guys have been giving me. I really appreciate so much. Kwanza, the support that you have that you gave me on the video, your pancake. I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted. Yeah. While cooking your mandazis, don't put high heat, because your mandazis will burn. So put a low heat for the mandazis to cook well. Let me know in the comment section which kind of video will you prefer me to do next, because when I was opening the YouTube channel, I told you guys that I will be doing pranks, lifestyle, and also cooking videos more. So just because I love cooking, that's why I love posting cooking videos, but I'll do anything else if you guys want. Wow, as you can see, our mandazi is already ready to be taken with anything, mosoti, and yeah, I'd like everyone to try this recipe out and tell me in the comment section how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and share the video. And yeah, bye.